How to withdraw your funds on Forex.com. Are you guys facing issues to withdraw funds from Forex.com account? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To withdraw funds from your Forex.com account, first of all open browser on the laptop or mobile devices. Then enter Forex.com website. Once you enter the website, log in into your account. After you get logged in, go to my account, tap on it. Once you click on my account, tap on funding and click on withdrawal. Enter your withdrawal amount. Withdrawal amount is minimum 100 or for your full balance. If it's less, and select the withdrawal method. Debit card, bank transfer or wire transfer. Forex.com always returns deposit funds to their original source like card, then access funds through bank or wire transfer. Withdrawals are typically processed instantly by Forex.com and credited by a bank within 24 to 48 hours, with no fees and a limit up to 50,000. Bank transfer take up to 48 hours with no fees but capped at $25,000 per transactions. Wire transfers can take 1 to 2 business days or 2 to 5 days if you are international, and may include a $25 to $40 fees unless your withdrawal exceeds $10,000. Confirm your details and submit the request. If you have an open positions, make sure you have left enough margin, otherwise the trade might be automatically closed after submission. Your funds will be sent back and you'll receive a confirmation when completed. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out other videos in this channel for full guidance. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.